so what you say what to the animals what to main gate mu na o'clock no na me nkoda hefa some this kana omo fa mra ne ma wo utua sika ni wi ansa na mra sam a start if you know for bi e din semfo e wo krom asai enipa makoma ko 13 na ti ofie adware ba ko du so toilet so ba ko pe na wa ye ofie ho ama amapa na nipa asala tintin e ko dware entu de wuji rent na wuji je no unim se nipa ne do so a obesi adware ni bi aka ma nipa ko dware mu obi timi delay be close to 25 minutes and so when access to washroom adentia adenti onye obi na betimi asidan anya obi na betimi asidan efie rafo ni bi ye pa na bi su di samfo e wo krom ha o de dan aha nkrofo ana watu dan 9 o'clock ana wo de safo ashaw dem de wa bonti o de wo ye amfa wo ye ntra wiase anya saa adan no ye konfa nche ye han efie rafo mu ntie me adan na mo de man no mo mfa nche ye han dan no ye tiaka enti tenant ne so esa wo dwen no so what you say pakwasi abaya no voice no atiti enipa bi ekom e wo hasei e wo dan han ho enye as me fear there ene obi masrawo obi hey what are you talking about sir also not sequence at obi han ho dan be ma bana nchana if you ro buafu wo borob if you ro borob sir be ma baba he obi adan be han ho dan no adan sabi ka frache be han dan me ka to say me baba adan if you robi wa be so to free the kwata so say na chinko wow if you robi o ti so Kwame no ni so na me shedam say gas ba on chakra na ni buafu adentia gas e ba ncha if you ra oh my be ha hodan gas ba me ncha na buafu aden if you ra for ni biye e bi so din semfo obi ko ti asidan e de han toilet ni fie ho we also mon kwa ban yankwa ban na 12 o'clock me yam kamera sa to maban we munyira mu kawo ana sit one be bebre eto bi o hye dem no de buru bag black mu ade to na pani wa hili no esa se efie na otimu toilet nim ade ti otimu di edan high disika abra toilet ni fie ho ya be pia o man ya mra anya dwuma gama mra de se efie toilet ni yamfa han enso ko choko ko sukula ko enkra han efie bebre no toilet now they will sit down now you say the baba betem no o beje o manan da chi ya me kan out ya say wow ya to prum adenti ni pati fie no o mo bi asafo ni bi anko beka o betu on rent na no yin safo ma no but men do ki ni we da bi e fie kura wasi ade han kitchen kura bi ni ho ana ko for the gas so mo dem en no nuane na esom na sanka amra yetuma okrum ha oh aswa no utimi ka se na ha keke oh authorities me na be hwe se sefata se ni patra ha what you say because the boy is no
I mean what mental problem suffer boache suffer no relation suffer no de na yi aba ni medical report aba say wa bodam because what the pepper spray go bi so na de no court e ho na de bae se ma me no mental problem maame no so ne ye ni tifie ni ye ni bibia ye pepepe wonkyere se wabodam oye na ade nyina collect enso police ni se wabodam ni mintimi hospital bill omomfa maame but omo che se maame ne che se ne Thursday wodi misika ne beba ntimi de ne na me kɔ hɔ akɔhwɛ se omo di me hospital bill ene me dan sika no ebe ma me dia ene na me ni problem. So omo mfa mama dia maame ne call report ni se odoko se me di dua bo no ini panso ofie ha ena me de wo de padlock no bo me e de ne stick ne kita no e bo me 3 days na me kon mintimi ntwa makɔ hospital aye bibia maame na call report se me di dua bo no ye kɔ ye commander no wo odoko se wo ye commander so e de me de minim wo mayen kasempo odidi atem si yen ya betunu obi fie me ne sister ba ko ye didi atem ya betunu obi fie ni yen ye tete no ya hwe
Asempa FM
maami timi ye wa de wo ba be hwe timi de sabe wase ekura timi didi watem enso no yen ka hwe nkire no no de padlock abɔ me ma so ma me timi ti asese ya ne moja efi mi tiri mo ba papa na me anumpa nkasa se maame ne se ye didi natem nti papa ne jojo ye se chese ye high dan ye ni ayi bia eno an se maame ne de obeka ne no na wasi etie maame no to dem 9 o'clock ye be high dan gate no an kan kire ye wasi ye tun anim ne achi obi de obi aki be man me ba o ma me ki da o ma me ki ni bi no o de padlock betun nti se me kwa asoro anwumire na me pon a me ba no watun wo enim gise me fro obi a wada no abebire me nti me wo fie no obi ba me nchen na bo nan a me ntimi nkogya no wo se ni pakro ka me ho wa lock no
wo atete ani anu tie atete efie obi atete o de tete tenant said ye benti efie mu a wutimu a so obi ba nchen na bo 9 o'clock pa kese waka wantimi nkobiem na efie wura timi tampa lock no de ahwe tenant tim se kwe ada wukunu ada yesu ya ba mo mfa nche ya han ya tuaka nta da timu tante ya sa hwesa wuti fie na wutimi mpie after 9 na sabi ka fache wadwuma ya dwuma ya bi a wutimi ko dwuma na doa na wo ye ne dan ayansamfo say what's na ko ka betu gate miti yeso o ma yakini bi ye mfa nkita na wa lokọ dan security we here no two ways about that but as I say tifie onyina so bia enya hoto obi entimi sida ye nyaka se sida ya na enkwasa se we so to be sida no bia ko ha obi dan no bi ha odan na chese se be ka frache en chese se bi o abo bi keke ti mami asema waka wo se abo 9 o'clock no bi won nche a se so ni ba ko no eda fi ho e say ontimi mpia bonten adenti no betua rent ni wie no o man safua because there's no way betu ko fi ho ni safua and carry the key money now the main gate is e key aka no ya omo fanya yen ade o ma ya timu no empanifo anwe ya ho ukonkronkro bi so a ya se si adan abaye se si adan enkro kama ane de o ma mu fo no atina mu abo mra so ya wa se enso o bibia o kama enso ya kro mo de no amra rent ne kro amra wo ho aso sila yen fa nya dwuma nani ya betra ha say ya emrade say mayanye advance emro 1 year if you will be afa odidi matem sa asama bomb da minimum cement bo but emra ayamra so if you how I also enable my home 03022165445 03022165446 adan ana fiero afobi ateti nipa e okroma sa chese utibi ko hard dan e fiero na se oni mu daada chese asa wa ne boni bi obetan woni sa wodi we si osenfantoa wodi we to osenfantoa an kan se wodi advance na wie no so the advance no go for the money we fine wodi sika ni wie pa na ono ko ntokwa
hello minia
maja
we are Emmanuel Wule mi free United States of Kisaman
ese ma fo yanko
me da say me I always say you pay for no can because if you have problem with your landlord there's no number be obi to man free obi report to what I fear obi report to say and now say education be any ho na so the captain say ono you fear no o 9 o'clock 8 o'clock 10 o'clock for what reason what I fear it is really because you pay for they should put proper measures you be to me free and report me that
I'm not the one akasa be adwuma rent control kwa oh chia everyone go see hello
good afternoon
but good afternoon
but no new Joseph Samakasi
Moro yanko
Sauba if you am got name hey mama we about ungaro you ugaro so tuminda
about it
ungaro so tuminda
semfo akwa
wow one of them about your comfort 124 bansomba if you dey use
we nkwasi asem yedi wa fa
straight to your pass on my ear on my uncle so more on in kwa na for so
na mo ko toilet wan
aban e kwa aban
wa she na no ebe yi wate she abrantie yase hello yeah me bacho good morning hey afternoon
Kwame Oboadie. Grant na butu time.
Na yanko.
Oboadie, I told you, where 5 years ago, no for higher than. And now Kwame Oboadie, many again, I'm going to go. So I say, or somebody get a bit channel, 2 months, I'm going to get after them.
I know if you're around, I just say, I know 2 months and I'll get up if you're.
I mean, 2 months, I'm going to get after them. Now, me now, never can't tell me if I make channel who. Nansana was just my son. Now we made a banana for if an apple to me, you tell me, you the fan made me let down and Sana. I tell me to get it, no, get it, I'll never bought my food. I'm a plan to the police station. If you're on the power soon, or bought my son, what I say, can be some of my family going to be. I'm not tissue, I'm a and I know, and that's my candidate and probably been doing some good.
Oh, hello. Well, if you're on Baba Shamia Wolf, then my baby is all your crown for. Say, the quack saying. So, who remember the chest come on behind dying? What's it? Minya, why would it about them? If you don't want, hello. You're also friendly and you come 030 2216 545. 030-2216-546. Well, if you're not funny, be a pa. Hello?
Hello?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, brother. Kokuni Fradinta.
For your call.
Only a few of one would say, catch up my devil because you're saying, now yet tomorrow, can I see no to me, you be okay. Oh, now, police for me, you say, Yabno Mupe, I won't pay now. Brabinti, ye bomba manyami say ye kwa kompaya. Ye bomba sim na ya juma my brother. You can say my home issue. But me pass empire for crowd me fa be betum. Ini dia no ye peteche we no mu dia crowd. Ya bro. You. Na ya juma.
Well, right here who lost wo. Who lost wo be pray quiet tintin. Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Your friend Kwame.
Me name Kwame fire.
If you are meeting Obi Besawa, you see funny as if funny bet channels, the parliament now. And so more. I
don't feel regular with you, that's something Casa. If you're not home. I will too so I watch when you first year why I put to say so what you say hello
Good afternoon.
But good afternoon. You didn't baby akase free.
You did your best to kase su crab.
August yanko.
Mo program mo me ni ajo pa na me ha da o crab na. Feel and see the o ye. Public toilet na waye ofio na yekoko ba ko a oje 1 cedi.
Waye public toilet ofio wa na wo ko mo no wasaju ska.
Wasaju ska oje 1 Ghana cedi. About 10 o'clock or what?
After 10 o'clock, after 10 o'clock, we am come away then.
Just all the show on that. I say, so Obu, your own bucket, get to me the Okobua, or do 50%. Your black one do I made it and or Jimmy 1 cedi 50%. And to make a criticism in a month, which are almost 100 cedis.
And so in the toilet and qua. I'm out for every Okrowa pow. Who if you're on all public toilet with you? Now, I say a town toilet, I'm out tenants, no. And see, who did I harm? Now, say, what pump and I'll make your money. Who did I harm now? I'm ready, yes. No, so about current control, no can I send the bray and Kosiaga. So what I say, I was said here as landlord, no, I was said yes, obey your toilet with you. Now, what you be, I was at the high home. Toilet my tenants, no. Like a coach here, we share the same situation. Yeah, you need bathroom now, or public toilet in the bathroom, and nobody is here to Gary. So, what did I hire and how did I have Sakake? Oh, the Cromano, we are some of you coming out. Rent control, go bone crow, because I go, and go see who. If you're on your friend or 1 hour time, and maybe you know about mine. Well, some madam for me, what if you're on his own too, and I said there be a marriage on 3 months. Wouldn't say if you're on there before, and to 2 chances about buying a good more. What to 2 chances, that's what I'm making or to 2 chances in every so I call and position. Don't know your farm work. o wadwuma ne friend say brebe na ufie wura o padan ne so ti saba no kan so toya ka boy ne wawu ni nyina ne say usu ontu na so man time kakra am na say 3 months am ra ho so be to bi afufia o be man notice no man time what we dan foforo e say obi anu o ko si tune no tune tune na ni TV ni nyama boni bodo nam e bi si enipa o ahia for so enipa ahia for eso enipa asem ni tie hello
yes hello
yeah me pacho good afternoon
yeah Mr. Oboadie good afternoon me pacho me so me person mama contribution kakra
me tie o
kwabra me sam fi la denta
bensa
okay me pacho na say emla say uko hada ya nipa no time so mo 3 months old
to the dia at some money time no the
3 months
yeah
okay because I say it is said you ko ECG akwaji meter ECG for the kind of meter is free and so Ghana o ka so meter free 1000 years on san meter da China we so tie I'm not the nyajuma baby the o kan dey o kan bia you right
baby mra adwuma na ha dey ntimi mra adwuma yi
ni nyina free penny for no because your institution or you're responsible for all the aspects of human life. I also want to show my money. You want to see a brave woman. Was I'm very well coming in the last year. Was any day.
Asempa. Yo. I'm saying to me for free phobia. I am no aso. I'm no aso. It's to me for free phobia. Now you can't go see say if you are for your sramo. See a behind more than ya and just say bia. Sabi adan te sa adaka kayemu bi kura ye fie kuro baba ne kita adan na so e say say adan te sa adaka ntini obi be ha hodan mesre wa sa onipa no funi so no so ye nipa e say say odigi wi obeje na nan e fie wura wodi dan ha ya toilet ni mu onyakopo betua woka ye de mo bon so rent control for aya mo pay hwe ye de be see a fire for fire for I ready am de bremo de tuma de e friend kanawu yeah, na joda ekosi efie da bia awa Asempa 94.7 me am di wuchi am yefrem Kwame Oboadie the producer pa kwesi kwesta social media ana gagama so bachira wa my moral support I just say e chire di e joda for ana me di mu besi wo chira ye be sensia